Everyone is You, Pushed Out by Neville Goddard. An analysis. An amazing concept, not many people realize its magnificence. This is life-changing, and once you grasp this concept, it can really change the way you look at life. This technique can truly help you manifest your desires. Some people use it successfully when it comes to manifesting certain behaviors of people, and other people use it to manifest wealth. Whatever you're trying to manifest, this is going to help you a lot, and is one of the most important realizations to grasp. Let me explain exactly how, and also a bit later in the video I will show you the exact steps on how to do it in order to change your life. So, what can you achieve with Everyone is You Pushed Out? Well, some people use this in order to manifest their ex back, or a relationship, marriage, or someone to change their behavior towards them. Other people use it to manifest money and riches, promotions, job interviews, etc. You can achieve anything. What does Everyone is You Pushed Out really mean? Everyone is You Pushed Out simply means that every person that exists is actually you. There are no other people besides you. We are all one, the same being, part of the universe, part of a universal consciousness, part of I am, and every person has a part of the universe inside of them, and so do you. Every person you encounter is a reflection of what you believe about yourself. Change the way you see yourself, and your perception about the world will change too. This is exactly what the world is, a projection of your own thoughts and how you see them. Everyone will act exactly as you think that they will act. Everyone will react according to what you believe about them. For example, if you believe that all people are mean, you will only encounter mean people. Inside your reality, you're a god, and whatever you assume the person to be, they will be. Your world is a mirror, and it projects whatever you think about yourself. As above, so below, as within, so without, as the universe, so the soul. So, how to apply it? Okay, so let's say you want to manifest a compliment from a specific person. Step number 1. Think about what you would like this person to tell you. For example, you're very pretty, or I am in love with you. You think, I want X to tell me that I am very pretty. I want X to tell me that he is in love with me. Thinking about it will do just fine, or you can even try writing it down, whatever you are most comfortable with. Step number 2. Have faith that you can create this. Have the belief that you can change people's thoughts with just thinking about it. After all, we are all imagination, and imagination creates reality. Step number 3. Feel it deeply and imagine it. Don't be negative about it. And just like that, the steps are very simple. Try it yourselves and see. You can really change your life. And that was the end of our video. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. Also, if you like this video, comment down below. Thank you.